homegrown tomatoes, homegrown tomatoes. What would life be without homegrown tomatoes? There's only two things that money can't buy, and that's true love and homegrown tomatoes. Happy Thursday, everybody.
Hi, it's Christine and Mark with Homegrown Harvest. We're here for your Q&A Thursday.
Q&A Thursday. If you missed the show on Monday, we did a brilliant show about garlic scapes, and it didn't record. So if you didn't catch it live, it's going to be one of those things that's just a memory if you were lucky enough to see it. But today we're going to answer some questions about garlic scapes.
Yes, because we get a lot of questions from clients.
What is a garlic scape?
Well, we get the question is when can I harvest my garlic? Garlic teaches people patience a little bit. It's one of the few things that you can plant in the fall.
And still not have it until the late
summer. But it stores really well, and the first thing I love growing garlic because it's just so easy. Because you can, like any bulb, you plant it in the fall, and it's low maintenance. You throw some mulch on it, and you forget about it. And
I'm sitting next to some onions that are looking pretty tall over here.
But but garlic scapes are one of the things that first pop up when after the leaves appear, and it's one of the first indicators that it's getting close to harvest. Not quite, but so what the scape is, it's in the center of the plant, and we'll go show you that in a second. A stalk shoots up, and at the end of it, it curls around, and there's a bulb of seeds at the end. And so basically that's the scape, and a lot of
plants put out scapes. What a scape really means is it's a single stalk without any leaves that attaches directly to the root system of the plant.
Okay. And wasn't there some like sword spear play with there?
Well, garlic actually historically comes from China and northern Iran. And today, even to this day, 80%, and I looked this up from the earlier show, 80% of the world's garlic supply still comes from China. But its name, which is used all around the world, is actually from the old Anglo-Saxon for garlic. Gar means spear, for the spearhead, and lek is a plant. So it's the spear plant, and it's talking about the scape.
Well, there you have it.
The
scapes are delicious. You can actually, it's not just something that you cut away. We recommend you cut them away because you want to divert the energy into the bulb, which is the garlic bulb, which you'll eventually harvest. But the scape itself, it's usable.
Anywhere you'd use green onions, it can be a substitute for that. People, you can grill it like you would prepare asparagus, fresh asparagus.
You can eat it raw. It's supposed to be slightly less spicy, or it's.
Although we bit into one of the ones from our garden Monday, and it was spicy.
Garlic, yeah. Roasting them, but yeah, there's all sorts of ways to prepare them.
Garlic scape pesto is one of my favorites.
That's right, pesto.
Hummus is another great thing you can do with them. Pickled. People will even pickle them.
They pickle them. Well, did
Not
you
a pickled
realize
pepper or
that,
a pickled scape.
So the scapes and garlic and stuff, they're very high in...
They are?
No. Oh. They are very high in like antioxidants, and they have great nutritional value.
Have I met her? Your antioxidant?
My antioxidant?
Hello. I'm your antioxidant.
It's Silly Question Friday.
It's
Thursday.
Not Friday yet. How are you?
Only as much as needed.
Anyways, but there's nutritional, there are minerals and all sorts of nutrients.
Don't lick my kneecap on camera.
Let's go check out the garlic scapes.
Let's go do that.
As we walk over to the garlic. And here is our garlic scape
If you don't know
bed.
Scooby-Doo noise, then...
So, you see these round curly things that are coming up? We cut a few the other day in the show that we lost. But we left some. And all you have to do is you go down to the base where the leaf is coming off, and you just snip it.
Snip it good.
So there's that. And so I'm going to snip a whole bunch of these and harvest our scape. hopefully won't lose this show. So, do you have any background music to sing to while I see this?
I don't have any Garlicscape songs. Please stand by.
Please stand by. I like garlic. Now, when do you know is the right time to harvest your garlic?
Ooh, I know.
Arnold. Horshack.
Boy, we're really dating ourselves here with these jokes. When the leaves of the garlic, which is what you see all around the scapes that she's planting, they look about 2/3 dead.
Right.
You want to know that one of the things, you want all of the energy to go in the creation of the bulb, whether it's the onion or the garlic. And in this case, one of the things you're doing with the garlic scape is you're signaling to the plant, hey, I'm not done yet. Because the scape, in a sense, is like when another plant bolts. It'll put up its seed pod. That's really what the garlic is on the end of there, the seed pod. So by clipping the scape, you're telling the plant, nope, keep going. And by waiting until about 2/3 of the leaves are dying off, you realize that the plant is pretty much done what it's going to do with the garlic, and it's time to dig up the wonderfulness.
So like here, can you close in here? So here we have, basically it's 2/3 done. So
Looks like it's sick, but it's not. It's been growing all
we got
winter.
a little one. This is a variety. Ooh, nice. So I might have planted that a little close to each other so they were little. Oh, here's another one. You can see from the scapes, now I harvested probably about the same amount or maybe a little bit more the other day. We like a lot of garlic. We plan to, as I mentioned the other day, but got lost.
Helps keep the vampires away, for one thing.
No, I'm gonna try to make garlic powder.
Oh, that's right.
Preserve my garlic this year. I saw a recipe, or online, so I'm just keeping looking for the curlicues, and I think I got them all. Now, I've had clients before harvest their garlic without knowing the same time the scapes came out. It's not a huge mistake. It's just that your garlic may be smaller in the end, but it's not anything that's going to ruin your harvest. Garlic keeps people patient. So we appreciate you coming by and checking us out today on our webisode.
Okay, that was not recorded. That whole discussion. So yes, call in and vote. Whether are we a webisode or a podcast? I don't know.
We're a webisode. I'm calling it a webisode. So thanks for stopping by and checking out Homegrown Harvest Live. If you have any questions about gardening or how to live a more sustainable life, check us out. Send us your questions at info@homegrownharvest.com. See us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Peace.